Good day, my name is Lindsay Green. I'm a director of Rovic International. Rovic International is a South African-based company. We can date our roots back to almost 100 years. We employ 580 people across various sites in South Africa and indeed stretching to Australia as well. The company is made up of two divisions. That's the industrial division and the agricultural division. Under our industrial division, we have Berquip, which is the leader in South Africa in terms of trailer axles and trailer axle componentry. We have Safequip. Safequip focuses on firefighting equipment. Both these companies have their main sites in Johannesburg. On the agricultural side, Rovic Agri is the holding company. Under Rovic Agri, we have Rovic Lears. Rovic Lears specializes in top quality and high-tech mechanization equipment. We have a manufacturing site building products under the Rovic brand based in Cape Town. Under Rovic as well, we have 7 retail distribution branches that represent brands such as Case and Landini. We have our Precision Agricultural Division, which is Cerealis Precision. They focus on international brands such as Precision Planting coming out of America. Under them, they also have a retail division that services the market directly in terms of planting equipment and precision equipment. That is us as a group, and welcome to the Rovic world.